Our last topic for this quarter is solving problems involving probability of simple event. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify mutually exclusive event and not mutually exclusive events, and to solve problems involving probability of simple event. A newly opened department store offers the customer to spin the spinner if he or she bought an item greater than 500 pesos. And if they did, the customer may win the jackpot prize of a vacation package for 4 or a gift certificate. What is the probability that the customer will win the jackpot or the 1,000 peso gift certificate? For the solution, this is the spinner, and the spinner was labeled with a jackpot, 2 bankrupt, and 9 different gift certificate amounts. Our event is the probability in getting a jackpot or a 1,000 peso gift. So, pansinin na naka-highlight ang ating or. Yes. Kasi dalawa ang pwede nating o kailangang maging outcome. Pwedeng kailangan ang makuha ay jackpot or 1,000 pesos gift certificate. So, for the probability of getting a jackpot, it is 1/12 kasi isa lang ang jackpot natin sa spinner. At lahat ng nasa spinner na ito na pwedeng maging resulta ay 12. Or our sample space is 12. And the probability of getting a 1,000 gift certificate is 1/12. Isa lang ang ating 1,000 dito. So, since Orion, pwedeng jackpot, pwedeng 1,000 gift certificate. So, to find the probability, let's just add these probabilities. And the sum is equal to 2/12 or 1/6. Pansinin po na gumamit tayo ng word na or. 'Di ba? Dalawang probability ang hinihingi natin dito, pero mayroon tayong simple event. Isa lang ang ating outcome. 1/. Pansinin din na sa event na ito, hindi pwedeng sabay na mangyari na makuha ang jackpot at ang 1,000 gift certificate. So again, mayroon tayong 2 events, but itong dalawang event na to ay hindi pwedeng mangyari ng sabay. This kind of event is called mutually exclusive event. It is an event that cannot happen at the same time. Tulad nga nito, dalawa yung ating event pero hindi pwedeng sabay na mangyari. Another example is tossing a coin. Ayan. We know that the outcomes in tossing a coin is head and tails. Di ba pag nag-toss ka ng coin, hindi pwedeng sabay na lalabas ang head and tail. Isa lang. Another example, drawing a red card or drawing a club. So this is the deck of cards. Ito ang red card. At ito naman ang club. Ayan. So, in drawing a card, hindi pwedeng sabay na makukuha mo yung card na red tapos club. Hindi pwede, 'di ba? Isa-isa lang. Isa lang ang pwedeng lumabas. Kaya ang tawag dito ay mutually exclusive event. Another example, rolling a number divisible by 2 or rolling a number that is a multiple of 5. Okay. So for the probability of a number divisible by 2, these are 2, 4, and 6. And then the probability of multiples of 5 in rolling a die is just a 5. Ayun. So, hindi pwedeng itong dalawang event na ito ay maging outcome at mangyari ng mangyari ng sabay sa isang roll lang ng die. So this is mutually exclusive event. Meron kang dalawang event in one experiment, pero hindi pwedeng maging resulta o mangyari ng sabay. The second one is not mutually exclusive event. It is an event that can happen at the same time. So, not mutually, ito naman pwedeng mangyari ng sabay. Halimbawa, queen and diamonds of or in a deck of cards. So, diba? This is the set of queens, diamonds, spade, heart, and club. And this is the set of diamond cards. Diba? Mayroon tayong queen for a set of queen and another queen for a set of diamond cards. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng lumabas ng sabay sa dalawang event. Ayan. Pwedeng pagkakuha mo kagad ng card, queen na, tapos diamond pa. O, di na-satisfy mo yung ating event number 1. For number 2, drawing a black card or drawing an ace. Ayan. So, ito ang ating black cards from a set or a deck of cards. And these are the aces. Flower, diamond, spade, and heart. At mayroon silang parehong element. Ayun. So, pwedeng pagbunot ko ng card, alas agad, and then spade. So, nasatisfy ko yung black card at ang ace, or drawing an ace. For my third example, rolling a number divisible by 4. So, sa rolling a die, ang number lang doon na divisible by 4 ay 4. Or rolling an even number, at ang mga even number naman doon ay 2, 4, and 6. Nag-roll tayo ng die. Nakuha mo kagad ay 4. Diba? Ang 4, na-satisfy niya ang divisible by 4 at ang even number. So, again, for not mutually exclusive event, mayroon tayong 2 or more events na pwedeng mangyari at the same time. So, how to solve the probability of mutually exclusive event? Paalala ko lang, mutually exclusive event, ito yung mayroon tayong event na 2 or more na hindi pwedeng mangyari at the same time. Two events or subsets of a sample space are said to be mutually exclusive if their intersection is empty. Meaning, kay first event, lahat ng elements niya, ang sample space ni first event, at ang sample space ni second event ay wala silang magkatulad na subset. Halimbawa na lang sa ating example number 2. Sa red card, ito yung first event natin, and drawing a club sa second event, wala silang pagkakapareho o wala silang intersection. Kaya ang intersection ng mutually exclusive event is empty. There is a theorem for this probability. If A and B are mutually exclusive events, then the probability of the union of A and B is equal to the sum of the probability of A and the probability of B. Paano ba to? For example, in a class of 50 students, 21 belong to the art club only, 17 belong to the music club only, and 6 belong to both clubs, and the rest belong to the neither club. What is the probability of the events that the student belongs to the art club or neither of the club? For the solutions, gagawa tayo ng Venn diagram. Ang first circle natin ay para sa mga batang miyembro ng art club ng bilang ay 21. Ang second circle naman natin ay para sa mga batang miyembro ng music club. At ang bilang nila ay 17. Ang bilang naman ng batang miyembro pareho ng art at ng music club ay 6. And the rest belong to the neither club. So, ang naiiwan o natitira ay hindi miyembro ng alinmang club. Maglelet tayo na ang A natin ay ang mga batang miyembro ng art club. And the probability is 21/50. Ayan, so nakalagay na dito, 21 ang batang miyembro ng art club at ang total natin ng number of student is 50. Kaya 21/50. Then, maglilet ulit tayo na ang B natin ay ang mga batang hindi miyembro ng alinmang club. Ayan. So, para malaman natin kung ilan ang nawawala, 21 plus 6 plus 17 is 44. Subtract 44 to 50, and the difference is 6. So, 6 ang bilang ng batang hindi miyembro ng alinmang club. Ayun. So, the probability is equal to 6/50. And so, madali lang ang ating problem cause ang kailangan lang naman ay probability ng batang miyembro ng art club at or na hindi miyembro ng alinmang club. Ayan. So, di ba sa pagpili ng bata, hindi pwedeng mangyari ng sabay. Yung makakapili ka ng isang bata na miyembro siya ng art club, pero hindi siya miyembro ng alinmang club. Hindi pwede, di ba? Kaya ito ay mutually exclusive event. Ayan. So, to solve for the probability, let's just add it. And the sum is equal to 27/50. This is the final answer. Another, for any two events A and B of the same experiment which are not mutually exclusive, the probability of the union of A and B is the sum of the probability of A and B minus the intersection of the probabilities of A and B. For example, a card is selected at random from a standard deck of cards. What is the probability that the card is either a heart or a 9? So, in this probability, ang event natin na heart at 9 ay pwedeng mangyari at the same time. Kaya sila ay not mutually. For the solutions, ilabas muna ang deck of cards and maglet tayo na ang ating A or probability of A represent the heart cards. And the probability is equal to 13/52 because the number of heart cards is 13 out of these 52 cards. And we'll let B as the probability of a numbered card 9. And the probability is equal to 4/52. Pansinin na mayroong parehong element ang ating event A at ang ating event B. At ang pareho nilang element ay ang 9. 9 na nag-appear sa hearts at nag-appear sa numbered card na 9. Ang tawag po dito ay intersection. Mayroong common element ang first at ang second event. At ang number o bilang o dami ng intersection ng dalawang event na to ay isa. Kaya ang probability natin ay 1/52. Bakit natin kailangan kunin ang intersection? Kasi po, ima-minus natin ito sa ating kailangang probability dahil halimbawa, kapag nabunot ko na ang 9 of hearts, possible pa ba na mabunot mo pa ulit ang 9 of hearts? Hindi na. 'Di ba? Kaya kailangan nating kunin ang intersection at i-minus sa ating dalawang event. For the substitution, ang probability ni A ay 13/52 at ang probability ng B ay 4/52. Their sum is 17/52. I-minus natin itong intersection. Ayan, kasi isa lang naman ang nine of hearts. At ang sagot ay 16/52 and the simplest form is 4/13. This is the final answer. The probability that the card is either a heart or a 9 is 4/13. Example number 3. A box is filled with the slips of paper numbered 1 to 50. One number is picked up at random. Find the probability that the number is even or a multiple of 7. For the solutions, mag-let tayo ng ating first event o event A ay ang even numbers from numbers 1 to 50. At ano-ano yon? Ito yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 hanggang makarating tayo kay 50. At ang bilang ng even numbers na yan o probability ng even numbers na to ay 25/50. Next, let B be the probability of multiple of 7. At ang mga multiples ni 7 under numbers 1 to 50 ay 7. Ito ay ang 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42, and 49. Pansinin, ayan, na ang 14, 28, at 42 ay parehong element ng ating first at second event. Si 14 ay even number at si 14 ay multiple of 7. Ganon din ang 28. Ang 28 ay even number at ang 28 ay multiple of 7. Ganon din ang 42. Ang 42 ay even number at multiple of 7. Ibig sabihin, ang event A natin at ang event B ay mayroong intersection. At ang bilang ng intersection na ito ay 3. Si 14, si 28, at si 42. At dahil isang beses lang naman mag-a-appear ito, i-minus ulit sa sum ng ating dalawang event. By substitution method, the probability of A is 25/50. The probability of B is 7/50 minus the union. At ang union natin, intersection. Ang intersection natin ay 3/50. And the result is equal to 29/50. This is the final answer. I hope nagets ninyo ang mutually and not mutually exclusive event and how to solve these simple events. For your assignment, answer this and this one.